coming from Poland, there was a lot of anti-Semitism, of course, and Christian girls wouldn't play with me because I was Jewish. And on that boat, there was a couple of Christian girls, and it looked like they wanted to play with me. And I thought I better tell them I was Jewish, so they wouldn't. So one of the girls came over to me, and I said to her, "I'm Jewish." And she said to me, "I'm Church of England. How do you do?" So it sounded to me like she did want to play with me, even if I was Jewish. And she became my best friend.
Did she end up in Melbourne as well?
Yes. She came from London to Melbourne they took her to see her grandparents in London, and she came back to her parents in Melbourne, and she became my best friend.